Hi everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Today we have a project that I have told my in-laws I would record if we do these changes. So why don't we have my oldest son here talk a little bit about this right here.
So I received it from my grandparents for $1 as my first car, and today we're going to be working on the shocks and the luggage rack.
And one more thing that we're going to be working on. This is a little bit of a surprise. Why don't you go ahead and open this up? Faster, open it from the top.
Yeah, but there's those.
There's on the other side too, though.
Is it the grill? Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Sweet. Nice.
All right, let's get started. And let her down a little bit. Okay. Ta-da! All right, one down.
This one's going to be heavier than the last one.
Yep.
I would prefer if you helped.
Ooh, that was loose. It's interesting. Once we get this one on, it'll help. Stop right there. Oh my gosh, how am I supposed to do this? Does it sound good?
It's not latched on the other side. Oh, that just...
Yeah, this side isn't tight down here either. Alright, you gotta prop this up again. Oh, and this, like, here too. That's like totally broke. Yeah. Is it holding it? Okay. Slowly lower it.
I'll try going fast.
I don't want to bust it. It should be okay.
Make sure everything's tight.
Yep.
Screwed on good.
Okay, one down. That's how quick that is. Oh yeah, shoot. We need to break that.
Leave
Actually,
extra
I can slide it out actually. Once I get this off. It's tight. All right. Okay, at least the things work. All right. Those ones work good, huh?
Yeah.
And that one's broken off. I'm just gonna break it off because I've been fussing with this for so long. I don't even care anymore. There. That's how you do things in Minnesota.
What do you want first, top or bottom?
Number of times I drop this and eat guesses. That one's on.
Did you already paint the top part, the top?
Oh, that's the last thing we have to do.
Oh. Let's see, let's do a sweat check here.
Sweat. Confirmed.
You're gonna test out how good the shocks are, is that it?
Yep.
Okay.
I mean, they obviously work good because they held the hood up.
Oh, that's true. Jeez, did you have to slam it that hard?
Yes.
Well, you'll see a video of earlier where literally like attempted 6.
2 times. Well, sounds horrible.
That's okay. Open it again so that
Where's
the latch is to the right there. Just lift up.
Oh my gosh. Let's do it really hard.
Okay, at least the things work. All right. All right. Let's get all the tools out of the back.
Now you're gonna put me in your video and make fun of me.
I would never do that. Well, there you go. A couple of quick projects. We got all the shocks in. They're all working great. One thing that I didn't film is that I did actually have to replace the ends of the new shocks with the ends of the old shocks because the new shocks had plastic ends that stripped out. So replaced those, but that's all working great now. We did some touch up with the paint and we replaced the grill, a couple of few things, and this truck is, or this Jeep is in really good shape. So one last thing for Daniel to do, and that's to put the Minnesota plates on it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys later.